Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use FreeTaxUSA step by step in order to file your taxes very easily, even if you are a complete beginner. So we will go from creating your account to entering your income details, claiming the deductions, and finally submitting your tax return. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try FreeTaxUSA software for yourself, you will find its affiliate link in the description. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some sign-up bonuses and rewards depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the official homepage of FreeTaxUSA. Now, before we jump into the steps, let's just quickly understand what it actually is. So FreeTaxUSA is an online tax filing platform that is going to help you file your federal taxes absolutely for free, file your state taxes at a very low cost, enter your income deductions and credits very easily, and even submit your tax return securely. It supports major forms like W-2, which is the job income form, and 1099 for freelance and other income. It also supports business income and investment forms. And the best part is that it is really simple, affordable, and even beginner friendly. So getting started with the platform is very easy and straightforward. All you need to do is you need to simply click on this sign in button on the top right hand corner of the screen. When you are here on this particular page, it is going to ask you to provide your username and your password. But since we haven't created our account here, so we will first of all create a new account. So click on the option of create an account. Now you need to start filling out this particular form. So here provide your email address first, then set a username for your account. Afterwards, you need to simply enter your phone number, then create a strong password for your account. After filling out all of these details, simply click on the option of create new account button here in the bottom. Now, as soon as you create your account, you will be shown some of the options. Like first of all, you need to verify your phone number, and then it is going to ask you some of the questions. So after providing the answer to all those questions, you will be landed here on this particular page. Now over here, you need to fill out this particular form with your basic details. It includes providing your first name, then your middle initial, your last name, and then you just have to select any of the denominations here, your occupation, social security number, date of birth, your address, and then you need to fill out some of these questions. So you will be asked, can someone claim you as a dependent? So you can select yes or no based on your situation. So after filling out these details, you just have to simply click on the option of save and continue in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you will be asked what is your filing status. So you will be shown a bunch of different options here like single, married, then we have married, filing separately, jointly, and then we have head of household. So among these options, you just have to choose the correct one. So let's say I've selected this one here, and then click on the option of save and continue in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now here comes the most important part, which is income. So you can click on some of the options that will be shown previously to continue in order to come here on income. So here it is going to ask, are you ready to enter your W-2 form? So over here, simply select the option of yes, I will enter my W-2 form now. You can also select the other options over here if you don't want to fill out this form as of right now. So they have shown you that if you have a 1099 form, we will work on that later. So after selecting the yes option over here, simply click on the option of continue in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So here now it will be asking you how do you want to enter your W-2 form. So select the option of enter it manually, or you can either upload a file or you can even scan with the help of your phone. So if you don't have the documents right now, you can skip and then you can come back later. There are also some of the sections on the next page. So here for now, let's say I've selected the option of enter it manually and then click on the option of continue. Now over here, simply start providing your information. So select box A, then provide the information of your employer and then select the option of federal tax information. So after adding all of these details over here, you need to click on the option of save and continue in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, after filling out your W2 form details, the information is going to look something like this. So if you want to add W2 form again, you can click on the option of this plus icon, and then you can again fill out this particular form for other person. So after filling out these details, simply click on the option of continue in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, it will ask you for your investments and your savings. So if you have any extra income section, for example, cryptocurrency transactions or any kind of miscellaneous income, if you have any, you just have to click on the option of add right next to it. After that, you need to provide the details about it. If not, you can just simply select the option of no, and then you can continue. After completing this particular section, FreeTaxUSA will automatically calculate your total income. Now we are here in the deductions and the credits section. So this particular part is going to help reduce your tax amount. So you are going to see some of the options here like charitable donations, taxes paid, student loan interest, education expenses, childcare expenses. For example, if you have made any kind of donations, you just have to simply select the option and you need to enter the amount, type of donation, and make sure that everything is accurate and supported by the document. FreeTaxUSA will also show your standard deductions automatically here. So if you want to skip it, you can just click on the option of can I skip it, and it is going to show you this particular article, which is going to help you a lot. So after filling out these details, simply click on the option of save and continue in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, after hitting the save and continue option, you will finally landed here on this particular other deductions and credits section. So over here, you will be asked some of the important questions like, do you have health insurance, and do you contribute to IRA? Do you have college expenses? So if you had marketplace insurance, you will need the form 1095A. So you need to simply answer all the questions honestly and then simply continue. Now, after filling out the details, when you land here in this summary section, you are going to see your entire tax return. This includes your invested income, the dividend income, your deductions, credits, and the final calculation. So if something looks wrong, you can just simply go back and edit that particular section. Take your time here because it is really very important. After federal filing, you can move to the state taxes. For that, you just have to simply select your state and answer a few questions. Then you can proceed to the final step, in which you just have to do nothing but to just add your phone number for IRS, review everything again, and if there are errors, you can just simply go ahead and fix them before submitting the final form. So once everything is correct, you are going to see the submit form option in the final step. So if you didn't select your any kind of paid upgrades, federal filing is completely free. After submission, your tax return will be sent to the IRS, and that's how you can start using FreeTaxUSA step by step in order to file your taxes very easily. You just have to make sure that you have entered the correct information in the documents to avoid any kind of issues. So if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.